can tell what movie we're watching. We're gonna do a review. We're gonna do a review on the Mortal Kombat movie. Yeah. So it's gonna be our first review of a movie. Yeah, it's the first time doing this.
Good show, dude.
Oh, it is. We're just looking at the merchandise. It actually looks pretty cool. Look at that. All right, guys. I'll tell you how the movie is if I edit it together, or if we have time to talk about it. Guys, the Mortal Kombat movie was absolutely incredible. So incredible, bro. Dude, no way! I finished my panel. Yeah, guys, this is just a class project we're doing. Look at my fucking fingers, bro. He's turning into Mega Mind. This is what we're using for it. I forgot mine.
We're gonna ride in this too.
Yeah.
Get off my lawn, grandson. The ocean taught me so many lessons.
Oh no, the earth is quaking.
What now? I'm shaking.
When we get up.
Feel familiar, Tyrell?
Oh yeah, last year wasn't it?
Hey guys.
Across the fire.
Hey. I was even going to touch you, but you're just there all posed up like the fucking superhero, bro.
Where's Natia and Shantae?
Hello, dear people. We have some unfortunate news to share across the world. The earthquake that happened has unfortunately taken life of Demetrius Sam. While we send our condolences to his family and friends, we are very, very sorry about this.
I met her at the discotheque. She stepped to me, it was stylish pep. On my knees, saying please, my toupee, cause she's coming on with me. She's all alone with me. Are you coming with me? Cause I need something sweet. My sugar cane, candy girl, chocolate twist, vanilla swirl. Caramel, my favorite girl. Stop and stare and look at her. I'm a man in black like Johnny Cash. Dirty minded, filthy trash. Let's rock and roll. She and I, we steal the show. I am Elvis with a dash of linen. She is Monroe, got me spinning, like the world revolves. She on swerve like Mardi Gras. Indian outlaws, what she's coming home with me. She's all alone with me. Are you coming with me? Cause I need something sweet. Sugar cane, candy girl, chocolate twist, vanilla swirl. Caramel, my favorite girl. Stop and stare and look at her.
Tyrell's dying. He's dying in scorching heat. So I'm still wearing my shorts. I knew it would be freaking supposed to be the hottest day yet. Also, I'm not wearing my Batman shoe no more. Hey guys. Is this working? Hey guys. I can't handle this freaking heat. It's actually really freaking hot out. Holy crap. That actually burns. And I have to walk all the way back up here Just used the bathroom. This is insane. I didn't know it'd be this hot out. This is bad. Honest to God, I might just switch into my tank top. I don't even care. I can't breathe in this shirt. Tyrell looks like he's freaking dying from heat stroke. This is really bad. It's too hot.
Okay, it's okay. There's room if you have a class to get to.
You better find a way.
Bro. I paint, I draw, I sketch, I make some native art, I make some comic book art.
Get some
I'm
examples.
gonna take some comic book classes in college, guys. I'm gonna work for Marvel one day. I'm a bit of an artist, no, don't mean to brag.
These paints are literally like drugs to Tyrell.
I'm like,
He goes like, oh yeah, Tyrell finally has drip now. Those fans. Guys, I got a haircut too. What's up, bro? Recommend it to the audience, bro.
we got some acrylic markers here too. I'm not sure how good they are, but
Tyrell had his grad dinner, but I showed up right when it ended. Tyrell had some really dry pork chops. Oh, they got a lead roller?
Man, I'm out here.